Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you a quick run through how to do your Cougar M4 brakes, okay? So without actually doing it myself, I'm just going to walk you through it and show you what you've got to do, okay? And hopefully with a little bit of this and a little bit of that, you'll get it done, alright? A little bit of this. With a little bit of doing that in, all the way up, both sides for the front and the back, come down here and you'll see on the back of your caliper down there, there is a 6mm Allen bolt. You screw that in until your wheel stops turning and then you undo it until your wheel becomes free enough to spin like that on its own, okay? Right. Second stage, undo these two, not all the way, but just loosen them off, pull the front brake, and then do those two back up, okay? Last stage is to undo this one, pull the cable tight, move this up a little bit with the cable still pulled, and then tighten that back up. And that should help you good brakes. And be careful when you pull, because trust me, sometimes you've adjusted them and you think, oh, it's not going to do nothing. You go down the road, you pull it a little bit, and then as soon as you get to the end of the bite, you're off. You're coming off that scooter. So just be careful, all right? Okay, this is a warning label. Hashtag warning. Do not pull your brakes too hard when you're tying them out, because obviously you're so used to them being rubbish that when you set them up and then you pull the brake, you're going to come off. It's going to hurt, man. So just be careful, all right, guys? 1.5 minutes, done.